Hello guys, it's Oboy Ramirez. We are so happy to be back. So today we want to teach you on how to make image pop for clean social media flyer and advert in general. So first we will look for our image in our computer, then we'll upload it to Photoshop. After the image has loaded up, we'll then go to menu bar. Then we'll click on camera raw filter. We'll click on the color, then in color section we'll go to modern 4, then we'll click on the modern 4 so that we can use it as our preset. Then we'll go to detail. We'll adjust some color noise reduction. We'll adjust. Then we'll also adjust on noise reduction so that we can have that smooth face. Then we'll adjust on sharpening so that we can have a clear edge in the image. Then after that we'll go to basic. Then in basic we will increase on clarity so that the image we can have the clarity of the image. Then we'll increase on texture so that the image can have that texture on it. Then we'll increase on dehaze so that the image can have some blackness on the image. We'll increase some blackness. Then we'll go to black, then increase black, then increase white, then increase exposure so that the image can look so that the image can easily be seen when we increase exposure and some part of contrast. Then we'll go to curves. In curves we'll increase on darks and shadow, just a small bit on them so the image can have some shadows. Then we'll go to highlights. We'll increase some hue. More so in highlights. If you increase highlights, maybe you want to have a color toning. You want to have a specific color to your image. You can use complementary colors. The complementary things. You can use complementary colors, the color that complement each other like that, so that the image can pop up. And that's how you do it. That's how you edit. Then we'll expose our image so that we can have a PNG format and the same. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and thank you.